episode is about cars. No, I am not going to be making a motor car. I am going to be talking about cars and their country origins. So I'm telling you, these are not all the cars. So China has produced like millions and gazillions and trillions. And in this I haven't written China. Sorry. So most of these cars I will not be knowing. See, I'm just learning like you. So I have put these chips into. I will be showing you the logo like this car. I will be telling the country origin and I will be showing you the logo. Let's shuffle. Oh. So this is the logo of the car of Saab, which I did not know. Its country origin is Sweden. Let's keep it here too. This is the logo of Tata and this country's origin is India. This is a very famous car, very famous car. This is a Wildcat with Jaguar. This is the car of UK, one of my favorite countries. Okay, this had a lot of time to cut, so many shapes and whatever. So this is the car logo of Datsun, as you can see, and it is the origin is Japan. The next car is this dude, Dodge, who is very good at playing dodgeball. This is the country origin of the United States. Elder brother of US, I think so. I like making elder brothers of countries. This is the fastest car in the world, universe to be exact. It is the car of Bugatti, which is from the country of France. Big dude. Tesla, as I told you. Tesla, this is the logo of Tesla. It is from United States. This is the next logo, a horse, not horse but Eicher. This is from India. This is Infinity, it is from Japan. BMW, one of my favorite cars. The full form is Bavarian Motor Works. Yeah, most of the cars have motor works in their name. BMW is from Germany. This is Gumpert, as you will be thinking. Gumpert, G stands for Germany. Yeah, this is the first car of Germany. You wouldn't even have known if you had known. I'm not. This is the dude, my favorite dude, TVR. This is from UK. What is this? This is Nissan. Sorry, my printer isn't working that well. This is Nissan. It is from Japan. Very easy logo. Okay. This is Chrysler. Yeah, as I told you, I have written it with a pen. This is from United States. This is Daewoo. It is from South Korea. Hey. This is Mitsubishi Motors. From the name, you might thinking it is China, but China is not in my list, as I told you. Or it is South Korea. South Korea is in my list, but this is South Korea, and you are very correct if you thought South Korea. Oh, sorry, dude. I thought this was Daewoo. Daewoo was the last one. This is actually Japanese car. Mitsubishi Nagasaki Hiroshima. No way. This is MG Motors. I think so. Let's just say MG. This is from UK. Very easy. Hyundai is from Korea or South Korea. This is Peugeot. If this car is from your country, please tell me the actual pronunciation. This is from France. I am not a French person. This is Isuzu, younger or elder brother of Suzuki. This is Isuzu. It is from Japan. This is Chevrolet. This is from the US. Plus sign. Yeah, the person who made this car might love. The person who made this car of a plus sign might know a lot about maths. This is Maserati. This is from Italy. This is McLaren. It is from UK. This is Fiat. It is from Italy. Hey, how did Isuzu come again? This is Mazda, which is from Japan. This is Cadillac. Sorry, bent. What was it? It is from United States. Yeah. This is Mercedes-Benz, and Mercedes-Benz guy who made it is I don't know his name, but I know his surname, and Benz is his third surname, and Benz is from Germany, and Germany made this car. So Germany made this car. Full explanation given to you guys by Akshant Sharma. This is Mahindra and Tata. Don't they think they're brothers? This is again from India. This is Force again from India. Ariel from England, sorry, UK. Maybe it is from the state of England. Or from another state. This is Rolls Royce. It is again from the UK or United Kingdom. Full form. Thank you. No, this is not the end of the video. Volkswagen. This is from Germany. This is Lamborghini. It is from Italy. This is an Indian song. You want to learn the wording if you're an Indian. Okay, I'm not a great singing star. This is not a singing channel, This is a geography channel. This is the Renault, my old dude. Yeah, we had good days. It is from France. Toyota from Japanese or Japan. This is Jeep again from UK. This little dude is Porsche. It is from Rumble. Porsche is from Germany. What is this dude? Rover. It is from the UK. To the other world. This is Proton from Malaysia. Aston Martin From the name, it I think sounds like UK. Kia Motors is from South Korea. Suzuki is from India. What is this, dude? Daihatsu. This is from Japan. This Apelli dude is from Japan. Sorry, This is Hindustan Motors in India. In Hindi, their local language, Hindustan is called India, so obviously it's India. Lada is from Russia, the big guy. Hey, what is this name? Sorry, I told you, my printer isn't very good at printing. Lotus Cars, this is from UK. Pagani, this is from Italy. Honda, this is from Japan. Koenigsegg, this is from Sweden. Okay, I'm not doing the drum roll now. This Alfa Romeo or the PJ Masks villain Romeo, if you know that cartoon. Alfa Romeo, this is from Italy. Maybe PJ Mask is also from Italy. This is, what is this? Citroën. This is from France. Ooh la la. SsangYong, from the name you might guess, South Korea. They should have named it SsangYong because SK stands for South Korea or S stands for South Korea. Maybe. I'm not a car producer. This is Hennessy Performance. Singing performance, dance performance, solo. This is Hennessy Performance. It is from UK. Okay, I bent this one while doing my drum roll. Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? Land Rover. This is from drum roll. UK. This is Ferrari from Italy. Ooh la la. This is W Motors. It is from Lebanon. Yeah, we forgot to bring that, dude. We just returned it. This is the logo of Audi. Wait a second, I forgot to show you the logos. This is Audi. It is from Germany. Okay. This is GMC for full form. General Motors Company. Not GMC full form. General Motors Company full form. This is from the USA. United States of America. This is Volvo. What a car! This is from Sweden. Yeah, they made it look like wow. This is for the oldest car. Yeah, I know. Mercedes-Benz came before Ford, I think so. Yeah, I'm not a car producer as I told you again. But Ford is from USA. Mini, am I holding it correct? It is from, okay, this is a very big car. It is not mini car. It is actually from UK. Subaru, okay. This is from Sweden. Bentley is from UK. This is smart is from... Yeah, this is a very smart car. This is... What was it? So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Sorry, Subaru is not from Sweden. It is from wow. Thanks. This is from Japan. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning geography. Stay safe. Keep learning geography. Keep watching my channel or please. Bye.